Do you know what is the world's largest and heaviest flying bird? It is the Kori bustard of Africa. The males weigh about 18 kg, females about half that. The lifespan of that flying bird is 27 years approx. Kori bustards are omnivorous, consuming food of both animal and plant origin. In South Africa, for example, the estimated population of Kori bustards varies from 2,000 to 5,000 individuals. But now this bird is classified on the IUCN Red List as near threatened species. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.